Hello guys, this video I will show you about best places to live in Germany. If you're thinking about moving to Germany, our list of the 5 best places to live in Germany can help. Germany is a relatively large and diverse country, so you'll have plenty of options when choosing where to live. Most expats choose to live in the big cities such as Berlin and Frankfurt. However, we know the bustling city life is not to everyone's taste. This article will take you through some of the best places to live in Germany. Berlin. Berlin is the capital city of Germany and is now home to over 3.5 million people. It is popular with expats due to its world-class, multicultural feel to it, which is hard to find elsewhere in the country. Young professionals are drawn to the city due to its strong economy and good job prospects. Those working in Berlin enjoy some of the highest salaries in the world, and workers receive generous benefits and protections. So it is not difficult to see why living here is appealing to so many British expats. Berlin is also considered to be a very eco-friendly city, and is famous for its sustainable transport system. Not only is it sustainable, but getting around is also very efficient. The city is home to 170 subway stations, an extensive tram system and a great bus network. Public transport is the most popular mode of transport here, which impacts the city's traffic and pollution levels. Berlin is also famous for its cycle scheme. So if you're a keen cycler, then this is the city for you. Bikes make up for over 15% of the traffic on the streets, and there are over 400 miles worth of cycle lanes and bike stations to enjoy. Düsseldorf. Düsseldorf is often overlooked by British expats who are moving to Germany, as the English language isn't as widely spoken in comparison to the likes of Berlin. In saying that, if you are looking for a proper urban lifestyle with a high quality of life, then this city is definitely worth considering. Families tend to migrate towards Düsseldorf due to its variety of international schools, kindergartens and playgroups. The city is full of fun activities and attractions such as the Grafenberger Wild Park and the Phantasialand theme park, and plenty of museums and theaters to keep the whole family occupied, as well as a wide variety of entertainment. Germany's efficient healthcare system and family transport discounts makes this city even more appealing. If you're a keen traveler, then Düsseldorf's location couldn't be more perfect. Western Europe is extremely accessible, so weekend trips back home are definitely doable. Düsseldorf's airport is the 3rd largest in the country, and offers great budget flights to a whole range of destinations. Hamburg. Hamburg is a port city which runs along to Elbe River, with access to the North Sea. It's most popular for its oceanic climate, mild winters and beautiful beaches. This city has a huge international presence and is a very important commercial hub, so there are plenty of job and business opportunities here. Due to it being port city, over 50% of the population have foreign roots, and as a result, Hamburg is home to an extremely diverse culture. As previously mentioned, the climate is classified as oceanic. The warm summers are unlike no other, with the average temperature being around 22 degrees. If you are not one for the cold, then Hamburg's mild winters will be very appealing. Between December and February, the lowest temperature reaches -2 degrees and snowfall is very rare too. Rottweil. Rottweil is a traditional German town, located near to the Black Forest. In fact, this town is considered to be the oldest in the state of Baden-Württemberg. It is a very popular destination with expats due to its cobbled streets, towering houses and quaint shop fronts. If you're looking to endure in an outdoor lifestyle, then this could be the perfect place for you. Located between the Black Forest and the Swabian Alps, Rottweil is home to some of the most idyllic walking and cycling routes. The town is also small but very accessible, meaning most people get around by foot. Rottweil becomes very popular in early January time, when the famous Fastnet Carnival comes to town. This is the perfect opportunity to get to know the locals, and to engage in some traditional German culture. Many people dress up and the performers wear clay masks whilst parading around the streets. No matter how many times you attend the carnival, you will never get bored of the diverse performances that are on show. Bins. Binz is located in northern Germany, right on the coastline. British expats love it here because of its picturesque white sand, seaside walks and unique architecture. This is the perfect place for someone who is looking for a job in tourism or holidaymaking. The summer in Binz is heaving and the town is a very popular destination with the Germans themselves. In the springtime, you can make the most of the nice weather and enjoy Binz's 5-kilometer beach. Before this seaside resort reaches its peak, there are many activities to enjoy such as volleyball, beach football and aerobic sessions, so there will be plenty to keep you entertained. It is also a very popular destination with history lovers. The traditional architecture means that there is a lot to be explored. There is also a great museum and a magnificent former hunting palace dating back to 1723. You can even take a steam train ride up to the palace and experience some wonderful views. Thanks for watching, take care and please wait the next video.